In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a white outline in FireAlpaca. Now I'm going to show you how to do this for this smiley face over here, but of course you can do this for any drawing you create. I'm also going to be using light blue background so you'll be able to see the actual white outline. Now the first thing you want to do is select your drawing. The easiest way to select it is going to be to use this magic wand, and you can just click on the background anywhere in the background, and then it's going to select all the background, everything except your image, and then you want to go to select and simply click on inverse, and it's going to inverse your selection, and now only my image is selected. As you can see, only the smiley face has these selection borders around it. That's the first thing you have to do. Then you want to expand your selection to actually make space for the outline. So I'm going to go to select up top and then expand. Now here you can do however much you want. I'm going to do 8 pixels right now. You could do 5, 10, maybe even more, and that's going to basically change the thickness of your selection. So if I click on OK, as you can see, it's given this much over here, and what you can see around here, so this gap in between is going to be the white outline. So whenever you've done this, you just want to create a new layer by clicking on this plus button over here, or of course not the plus, but the new layer button. Then you want to select the fill bucket tool, and you want to go to color white. And when you do this, you simply want to zoom in, and then over here where you have your selection, you simply want to click in here, and as you can see, it's going to basically color that white. So if I go and press Ctrl D to deselect, it's going to show you your final result over here, which is essentially a drawing which has a white outline, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.